Welcome back to VIP Auto TV, where we dive deep into the world of wheels, big and small. Today, we're stepping into the realm of luxury on wheels with a beast that redefines highway travel, the 2026 Kenworth W900 Motor Home. A rolling mansion on a legendary platform. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a rolling mansion built on one of the most iconic trucking platforms in history. The Kenworth W900 is legendary in the trucking world, known for its long-nosed design, bold grille, and old-school charm. But Kenworth has taken it to a whole new level, transforming it into a high-end motorhome that blends heavy-duty performance with top-tier luxury. Power and performance. Under the hood, this beast is powered by a PACCAR MX-13 engine, pushing out an impressive 565 horsepower and over 1,850 lb-ft of torque. That means this rig has more than enough muscle to tow a car, a boat, or even another motorhome if needed. The 12-speed automated transmission ensures smooth shifting, and thanks to Kenworth's latest fuel-efficient technology, you get surprisingly decent mileage for a vehicle of this size. Exterior design. The W900 Motorhome maintains its classic long hood design that truckers love, but with modern upgrades. LED lighting, an aerodynamic roof fairing, and a fully integrated slide-out system expand your living space at the push of a button. And let's talk about the custom paint jobs. Kenworth offers sleek metallic finishes and full-blown artwork that ensures your rig stands out on the road. A luxury home on wheels. Step inside, and you'll feel like you've entered a 5-star suite on wheels. The interior is a masterpiece, featuring high-end wood paneling, leather upholstery, and smart home technology. You'll find a full-size kitchen with stainless steel appliances, a king-size bed for ultimate comfort, a spacious bathroom with a rainfall shower, an entertainment lounge with a 70-inch 4K TV and surround sound, advanced safety and comfort. Despite its massive size, Kenworth has equipped this rig with cutting-edge safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warnings, a 360 degrees camera system for easier maneuvering, air suspension for a smooth ride on any highway, a fuel tank capacity that stretches over 1,000 miles, so you can go the distance without constant refueling stops. Customization like no other. Here's the real game changer. Customization options. Kenworth lets you design this motorhome to fit your lifestyle perfectly. Want a built-in office? Done. Need a second bedroom? No problem. Dreaming of an outdoor kitchen setup? They've got you covered. This isn't just a vehicle. It's a home tailored to your needs. Who is this for? The 2026 Kenworth W900 Motorhome is perfect for long-haul travelers who refuse to compromise on comfort, luxury road trippers seeking the ultimate experience, motorsports teams looking for the perfect mobile base. At the end of the day, this isn't just about getting from point A to point B. It's about making the journey just as incredible as the destination. Let me know in the comments, if you had a rig like this, where would your first road trip be? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more deep dives into the world of wheels. This is VIP Auto TV signing off. Until next time, keep rolling.